Juggling is a physical skill performed by a juggler, involving the manipulation of objects for recreation, entertainment, art, or sport. The most recognizable form of juggling is toss juggling. Juggling can be the manipulating of one object or many objects at the same time, most often using one or two hands, but also it is possible with feet. Jugglers often refer to the object that juggles as props. The most common props are balls, clubs, or rings. Some jugglers use more dramatic objects such as knives, fire torches, or chainsaws. Ooh, but I'm using bowls. That it is. This is a juggling guy. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel soon.